Hello everyone, my name is Mcclendon, and today I bring you guys Tron. This cryptocurrency is a fast moving one. It is in the top 30, and I'm going to go over some key details and do a price prediction to help you guys out. Now, let's begin. We're on CoinMarketCap, guys. Tron is trading almost at 10 cents. Huge market cap in the billions, 7 bill. And we're going to check out some of the other websites, but before we go, look at some of these cool charts. I love CoinMarketCap. Very good website. Please check out their website, guys. It has a lot of good information down there. So this here, the founders, what is Tron? I like to look at Tron when it comes to just scanning through the website on Kraken. What are the basics? Okay, so what is Tron? First, it was created by a guy named Justin Sun, entrepreneur out in Asia. This guy, when he created this cryptocurrency, Tron, it is a decentralized applications, has smart contracts, token, and delegated proof of stake census. So, and it used to be part of the ETH, Ethereum, but now it has its own platform on there. So, Tron is a well-established cryptocurrency. It's very big, has a lot of players in it, guys. So let's check out how to find some information about it outside of Kraken. You have Tron.network, their main website, so check out that. You also have tronfoundation.medium.com. Also, the Twitter page, guys. I'm a big fan of Twitter, so also follow me on Twitter, andremcclendon.com too. Check out the Twitter page. They have a lot of information, a lot of people following. They post, I think the last post was 2 hours, 21 hours ago, so not too bad, guys. If you guys want to find any other information about it, just look at the last one I found was their community page on Reddit. So those are the information sources, guys, from CoinMarketCap. So now let's look at the price prediction, guys. This is a good one. I'm going to be using two different indicators, the super trend and Bollinger Bands. So let's try it out. First, guys, I am going to talk about how if I was going to get into this cryptocurrency, I would hodl or trade. First part, hodling. So let's get right into it, guys. When it comes to super trend, you can see that the optimal place that a lot of people are buying is all around here. Now, we might not ever see these prices again. They may be off. So if you entered here, you must be doing really, really good. So we're currently here. So let's scan down and go down to the weekly. Weekly is probably one of the best time frames to look at hodling. All right, make it a little bit bigger. So guys, at this price point, this is not too bad. It's about halfway from their peak up here. Pretty good. So for me, guys, since I'm starting out right now, I'm going to be hodling, and based on whatever, just at a normal job or I was doing something that paid me on a set period, once every 2 weeks, once every Friday. Let's say I got paid once every 2 weeks for this example. So for me, I will be entering here straight off the bat. I'll be using risk-free money, so if the money was lost, it is fine. It doesn't hurt me, it doesn't affect me. Every single 2 weeks since I get paid, I will be buying at that price. So I get paid $100, $1,000. I'll transfer some of my money and buy some Tron, buying at each point along its way. So what would I do for selling? Because that's important. If you want to hodl, you got to plan your selling points. So for me, at every major resistance level, I will sell some. So buying here, if it does go back down, guys, I'll be buying on a periodic level, periodic basis. So I remove the emotional part of trading, so I don't get, I have no FOMO. I know I have a plan. I stick to my plan. I don't risk too much. I'll be selling a portion of this entry right here, which would be about 2 cents higher. If it goes there immediately. If it doesn't, I'll be selling at each point. The next price point will be right here. And the next price point will be here. These easy clear highs. So hodling here, I'll exit a little bit here, exit a little bit more here, and exit a little bit more here. Let's put in an instance. I get paid, I buy $3,000 worth of Tron. I exit a $1,000 equivalent down from here. I exit a little bit more and exit the rest here. And I'll keep a little bit of my position to hold even longer if it continues. But that is, for me, is a good way that I can maintain profits, have a plan, so, and if it goes down lower, I have a plan also, because I'm buying on a paired basis. So guys, that's my first price prediction for if I'm going to hodl is 11 cents, 12 cents, and then 14 cents. I will do a recap video if it goes up higher. If you guys want me to, just comment below. Well, now let's get into trading, guys. I will go to the daily because that's the best time frame, and actually the daily and the 4 hour, my favorite time frames to trade. So this is actually not in a bad position when it comes to trading. Let's check it out. We are seeing that the super trend will be hopefully be going from red as a current up to green. We're within the Bollinger Band, so we're not buying. I don't buy past the Bollinger Band because it's usually buying at a not a good point. You should have got in earlier. But since I'm buying right now at this current market price, move to the side over here. Oh, give me a second. So first I'm going to do is do a market entry. Get into the market. Now, right now, there's not too much of a bottom. The bottom's not too far away. It's relatively close. So for here, my swing down is not too bad for my swing high. But my same plan out, guys. I'm a very logical trader, very planned trader. I make sure things happen pretty much. I stick to my plan. So if it goes down, instead of going from this price point here, say it does that, what I would do for option one, number one, if it hits about 11 cents, 11.3 cents, what I will do is if it goes this level, I will move my stop loss above my entry, maintaining that I keep profit. So if it goes back down, knocks me out of my trade, I walk away with the profit. If I am wrong and it goes down, I will place a buy limit here at this corner right here, at this arrow. If it hits my buy limit and bounces up again, same exact tactic I do on a lot of my trading, is that I'm going to have this entry go from here to here and lock in my trade. Remember, the key thing is locking in your trade. So even if it goes up to this previous high, both trades will have their, so if it goes to this high right here, let me arrow it out. Let's say it goes up back to this high here, at this point here, and heads back down lower. It hits both my stops, locking me, me hitting profits in my trade, and it continues on. If it keeps on going higher, I'm going to place a buy stop up here, just around this area, right above this high. So what I will have is, if it's scenario 3, first thing, if it goes up here, goes back down, sorry, hits my buy limit, goes back up, goes past this previous high, it will hit my buy stop. I have 3 entries in this trade. So if it hits the 11.3 or hits the 12.7, I will exit one of these positions, most likely this one right here, this buy stop, taking home profits, moving my stop loss higher on both these positions so I can maintain even more profits on this trade. So first price prediction, guys, is 11.3. Second price prediction is going to be the 12.7. And third price prediction is going to be the 14 cents. If you have any questions or comments, guys, you can hit me up on my website, AndreJMcClendon.com. I have a lot of cryptocurrency information here. I have indicators. I have some stuff about gold and silver stats. If you want to book a session with myself, please contact me here all through Facebook. But that's the video, guys. I hope that helped you out. I hope that you get some insight on what I would do. And I'm not trying to tell you what to do. You do your own research. I gave you the research in the video. But that's it, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. Drop a comment below because I always comment to you guys' comments. And have a wonderful day.